This is the PWPAM UV lamp with ozone. It's portable and USB rechargeable. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the product manual. They give you a USB recharging cable, which is USB to micro USB, and of course the lamp itself. This is a UV-C lamp. Now, we've heard of UV light or ultraviolet light, and that comes naturally from the sun. This is a UV-C lamp. The sun generally gives mostly UVA and UVB. UV-C is very harmful to plants and animals, but it's also harmful to bacteria and viruses and all that stuff there. You can see the lamp inside, right there inside the cage. This is 3.8 watts, and it is USB rechargeable. There's your USB port right there, and a button to turn it on. Now, the way this works is it won't turn on immediately. You have to hold the button down for 3 seconds, and then the light on it is going to flash for about 30 seconds, and that's a warning to leave the area. Once again, UV-C is harmful to humans, pets, plants, etc. So you can put this in, let's say, a bathroom. Set this here, and in fact I could show you that. If you hold the button for 3 seconds, the blue light starts flashing, and in 30 seconds this light is going to go on. You can press to cancel and everything's fine. So you can do that, leave the bathroom, leave this right on the counter, and close the door. This will run automatically for 30 minutes and then shut off. And this is going to sanitize the room. It's going to kill all of the microbes and bacteria and anything else that's in there using just this light. These are commonly available nowadays. You can find lights like this available all over eBay and Amazon and things like that. These are commonly used, especially now with the world pandemic that we're having because of the coronavirus and killing all of the germs associated with that. So it's great to put in there. Also a great thing to put in your car. Maybe the car gets a little stanky, so you can put this in there and turn it on, leave the car, have the windows rolled up, and let it run for 30 minutes. When you come back, open all the doors and windows, let it air out for a little bit, and you'll notice that after that, after you close the car back up, it won't smell anywhere near as bad as it did. So certainly a very useful UV-C light from PWPAM. Now I'm going to turn this on for you, and then I have to leave the area, and I'll just let this sit and run for 30 minutes. So I'll show you that now. Okay, here's the lamp. We're going to go ahead and hold the button down for 3 seconds. And we have a flashing blue light, so now I'm going to leave the area and let it do its thing. Now, while the lamp is working, I'd like to tell you some more about it. It has a 1000 milliamp hour battery. The battery recharges in about 90 minutes, and on a full charge, you can run 3 full cycles of the lamp, each cycle being 30 minutes. During charging, the indicator light is red and will turn green when fully charged. You will also notice a smell after the light is extinguished. The smell will be similar to what you smell after a rainstorm. That smell is ozone. Ozone also acts to kill odors. So once again, this was the PWPAM UV lamp with ozone. That's portable and USB rechargeable. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.